Hello, it's Play again and welcome to my channel. If you're already a subscriber, then welcome home. On today's episode of Playday Sunday, I'll be showing you all how to create this cute protective style. And this style can be worn in the workplace, to a summer wedding, or anywhere else because it's cute. So this is the style. And it's very simple to achieve, quick and simple. Okay, so my hair is already prepped and ready to go, so let's go ahead and start, guys. Okay, so I'm actually gonna go off camera and part my hair because it's difficult to do it right here. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna part from ear to ear, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys what that looks like. Okay, so my hair is sectioned out, and there's just two sections in the front and one large section in the back. And the parts don't have to be perfect, okay? Okay, so I have a mirror over here, so that's why I'm looking in this direction. And if I look over here, my daughter is right underneath me, finally about to go to sleep. So that's why I'm looking. If you hear any noises, that's what you hear. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and part a little piece here, triangular part for a braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna take equal amounts from each side. That's why I part it down the middle first to get, to make everything symmetrical. I'm just gonna use some edge control and to clean up the part, and I'm gonna start to braid straight back. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm gonna go on this side. I'm going to section out a part for a braid. I'm gonna do that on both sides. Okay, so now my braids are done, and honestly, like, the braid portion of the style is probably the most difficult part. The rest you're gonna be smooth sailing. Okay, so it's 3 braids, 1, 2, 3. Here we go. That's what it looks like. And then next I'm just going to gel it up and put it in a high bun, and I'm gonna do the same with the back. Okay, so basically I'm just using a combination of Eco Styler, edge control, and spritz, and just go ahead and start. And I should have got a brush, but a comb works perfectly fine, so I'm just gonna use my comb. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to just put it into some buns, both ponytails. And this could actually be a nice, cute little look, you see? And all you need to do is probably add some, you know, cream to curl it up, and I would wear this. I really would. Okay. So that's what that looks like. And yeah, I'm sorry, I feel like I'm just so, because I'm so tall, like, anyways. So, like, once it starts drying, you can go ahead and, like, reapply and continue to smooth it out if you want. So, now, this is the fun part, okay? This is where you can get a little creative and just, you know, do whatever you want. Because, like, I'm about to do it now, and maybe the next time I do it, it's probably going to be completely different. Like, you can really just play with this part. So I have Marley hair. This is the Janet Collection Afro Twist braid right here. And I have 2 packs. I don't know how many I'm going to use yet. Like, I don't know how thick I want it to be yet. I'm just gonna like play with it, I guess, and, you know, figure it out as I go. And this pack has, it comes in like 2 pieces. Let me cut this. Hold on. It comes in 2 pieces, so you could put each or 1 piece on the front ponytail and 1 on the back, or let me see how thick it is. I don't know. You have to play with it. Let me see. It's probably, I could use 3. I think I'm going to use 3 of these. Okay, so let me go ahead and get that ready, and then I'll come back. Okay, so I have 3 pieces. Boom, boom, boom. And I think I'm going to use 2 in the front and 1 in the back. My baby has the hiccup, so that's what you might hear in the background. Okay, so each piece has rubber bands on them already, so I'm just gonna put it together and then just put the rubber band around a ponytail. Like so. This is cute. Minus this, but okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and put, I like this look. You know what, this could be an idea for a next tutorial. I really like this. Anyways, so then I'm going to put this one on the back, like so. Now this part gets very interesting. So you're just going to have to really, you can play with it and see what you're liking. And I have hairpins and bobby pins available right next to me just to see, you know. I'm going to figure out how I'm going to do this, okay? So just like I said, just to get creative, but as long as you're covering the buns. And it's not hard to, I mean, it's pretty easy to do so. The hair is pretty thick, so it'll be covered. Okay, so let's go ahead and play. Okay, so I had to stop and feed my baby. And okay, so what I did so far, well, I just mainly just did the back and just wrapped it around into a little bun like so. So now I'm gonna work on the front. This is what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna divide it in half first and then just start wrapping. So I'm done, and if you hear a motor in the back, my baby's in her mama reel, so that's that sound. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I am happy with it. I really am, and it was so quick. Like, I'm gonna go ahead and do a little spin around and show you guys. Okay, so now this is where you can get creative. I have my container of goodies. These are my hair accessories, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what I'm gonna put in there. You gotta spice it up a little bit. You know, I'm extra. If you don't know, I'm telling you now, I'm kind of extra. So if you're a simple chick, leave it like this. You know, go ahead, go to work, wherever, you know. Wedding, this is a cute wedding style, I think. And it's summertime, so that's perfect. But yeah, I'm gonna add some stuff to it, jazz it up a little bit. So I have these gold clamps, so I'm gonna let me put this down, but I think I'm gonna put a charm over here. I think that would be cute. So I have gold clamps, so I'm not gonna go overboard. I'm just gonna add a little bit. So one here, is that too far back? It's okay. Yeah, I like it like that. And then one on the other side. My nails. Okay, and then now I'm gonna add the charm, and I like this one. It's a little shell with a gold ring. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. So I'll see you next week on Playday Sunday. Bye.